What's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Matic holders' big mistake, my friends. They don't understand that what is our mistake, but in this video, I will show you, friends, your mistake. So keep watch this video till the end. And remember, my friends, if you watch this video complete, if you don't do this mistakes, absolutely there is a chance that you will get a profit from a channel. But if you can't do this mistake, so I can't talk about Polygon Matic. That I know, my friends, the price falls down, the people angry to the Polygon Matic, but it's not mean that you do this mistake and you lose your money. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Anyways, the latest price of Polygon Matic at this time in the market is 1.26 USD dollar. 1.26 USD dollar is the currently price of the Polygon Matic in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Polygon Matic, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, the whole changes occur in the Polygon Matic is going negative. Completely fast down occurs in the Polygon Matic. So the people understand, my friends, in this time that Polygon Matic have no idea to take a pump in the future, and they understand that Polygon Matic will continuously fast down in the future. But you are wrong, my friends. We can't say about the future of cryptocurrencies market, but this clear, my friends. You have to research about the moves of Polygon Matic, my friends. Now it's time the people decide to sell Polygon Matic. And my friends, this is your mistake. You decide to sell Polygon Matic. First of all, my friends, you have a patience. If you have a patience, you will get a profit, and if you have no patience, nothing you will get. The last three days price chart of the Polygon Matic tell us that the price falls down. Negative 16.27% the price of Polygon Matic falls down in the last 3 days. Only in the last 3 days, my friends, the price falls down from 1.52 USD dollar to 1.26 USD dollar. This is the price falls. Approximately a 0.30 USD dollar falls down occur in the Polygon Matic price in the last 3 days. So if you decide to sell Polygon Matic on this price, so it's clear that you are in the loss. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.